much today. Okay, hi guys. So we are going to talk about EMC, or known as Electromagnetic Compatibility. What is EMC? EMC is concerning about unintentional generation, propagation, and reception of electromagnetic energy, which may cause EMI, or electromagnetic interference, or damage to a device. So, in order to a device function, electromagnetic device functioning well, we must test the device before it can be being produced or being used. So today in our video, we are going to focus on military devices. Military devices is a very important devices to our country safety. Military device must undergo a severe test before it can be used, so that it can withstand electromagnetic frequencies that may interrupt or even the sabotage from other enemies or anything. So military device undergo a severe testing before it can be used, where there are two standards that used to test this device. First standard is Europe standard, and second is UK standard, which used to test these devices. So next we are going to look the applications of EMC on military devices.
Do you guys know what is the radar and how it operates? Okay. Radar stands for radio detection and ranging. Radar is an electronic equipment that detects the presence of an object using reflected electromagnetic wave. How the radar operates? The radar transmitter emit high power electromagnetic wave that are in phase when transmitted. When this wave come in contact with the object, a small portion will reflect back to the radar receiver. Since the radio wave travel at speed of light, the radar system can calculate the distance to an object based on the time differential between transmitted and received signal. Okay, the phase change of the received signal also processed by the radar system to determine the altitude, the velocity, the speed, and the direction of the detected object. What are the uses of the radar in military? Okay, the radar have been deployed on the ground, in the sea, and on air for military purpose. For example, military firefighter aircraft usually fit with air-to-air targeting radar to determine to detect and target enemy aircraft. Next, the larger specialized military aircraft also carry powerful airborne radar to observe the traffic over a wide region and direct the firefighter aircraft towards the target. Next, the marine radar also used to measure the bearing and the distance of the ship to prevent the collision with the other ship, to navigate, also to locate the landmark.
Today I would like to share another application of EMC in military, which is missiles. Do you guys know what is missiles? Missiles is a self-propelled system, or known as a self-propelled munitions, which have a different, which has been categorized in a different category. For example, first is a powered and guided munitions, which is also known as guided missiles. Second is powered and unguided missiles, which is known as rockets. Third is unpowered missiles, which is also known as bombs. And fourth is powered missiles, which is powered munition, which is travels through the water, which is known as torpedoes. Okay, next I will talk about missiles. There are four different system components. Which is first, it is a missile guidance targeting This is the flight system will use the data that we get from the guidance system and maneuver the missiles to follow the moving object if the target is moving. The system component is engine, which usually we use two type of engine, which is rocket engines or jet engines. And the fourth component system is warhead. Warhead is usually where they put the explosive type bombs inside the missiles. In the warhead, usually they put nuclear components or biological component or chemical components in there to make an explosion. So that's all for me. Thank you.
Today I would like to talk about one of the EMC application in military, which is submarine. A submarine is watercraft which is capable of independent underwater operation. Inside the submarine, there is a few electromagnetic systems which are imaging, antennas, communication system, and also an electronic warfare. In order for the submarines to work underwater, it needs electric power, which is generated by diesel engine or nuclear reactor. So, for the submarines to locate the target underwater, active sonar is emit pulses of sound waves through the motor, reflect off the target and back to the submarine. So, by knowing the speed and also time used by the sound wave, the computer inside the submarine can easily calculate the distance between the submarine and also the target. For the passive sonar, it involves listening the sound generated by the target. So as we know, we can check the compatibility of the equipment used in the submarine based on some EMC requirements. There are two examples of requirements that we use for the submarine. The first one is mutual interference trials, which involve the submarines to safely travel in the sea together with the sensor, communication and also the navigation system. The second one is electronic mutual interference trials, which is used for the weapons inside the submarines. So that's all for my part.
Hi guys, now I will talk about the other application of EMC in military. Okay, the other application is walkie-talkie. Do you know what the walkie-talkie is? The walkie-talkie is a device that we use to communicate with other when we are in the non-signal place. You know, such as in the sea, if there is no signal or line telephone at there, so we use walkie-talkie to communicate with other friends. But in military, the walkie-talkie is very important because we want to contact or communicate with our teammate. It is so hard if we use the hand signal. So we use the walkie-talkie as the device to communicate with our friend. Use the walkie-talkie to communicate with their base, to tell their base about their situation, to report anything that occur in the war. So, do you know what are the component that been inside the walkie-talkie? Okay, the first thing, not the first lah. The component are speaker, microphone, and batteries for the power supply, and the antenna for the walkie-talkie to receive or send the signal, and then some circuit inside the walkie-talkie so that all the components inside the walkie-talkie can functioning well, and the iconic PTT button for the walkie-talkie to respond. Now I will talk about the walkie-talkie. It's okay. It's create a useful signal. Okay, why is it useful signal? Because the walkie-talkie itself, you can convert our voice into the radio signal, which we can call the radio signal as electromagnetic spectrum. We will move to the frequency that been used in the walkie-talkie. I don't know whether the Malaysia use what kind of frequency type in the walkie-talkie, but okay. At the US, they use family radio service and general mobile radio service as their primary frequency. What can be related to the EMC? As we know that EMC state that the electronic and electric product shall work in its environment only, and they do not generate any disturbance such any electromagnetic disturbance which can influence other electric devices. Thank you for watching, guys.